Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. If you are looking for some guidance to help elevate your thrift game in Tokyo, you have come to the right place. Tokyo is a dynamic playground for fashion lovers, a place where high-end avenues lined with designer brands meet narrow alleyways packed with niche boutiques. Here, you will find an eclectic range of styles, from punk to goth to Lolita to American and European vintage to timeless elegance. Unsurprisingly, this mix of mainstream and experimental fashion makes for an exciting thrifting experience. You never know what you will find. In the guide below, we will introduce Tokyo's most popular thrifting areas and chains, as well as relevant information about typical clothing styles, store locations, and pricing. Be sure to pack light. You are sure to have quite the thrift haul. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us.
Tokyo's best areas for thrifting, Shimokitazawa. Located outside the busyness of central Tokyo, this laid-back area is synonymous with vintage clothing stores, hip cafes, small independent shops, and live music venues. The neighborhood's collection of small streets and alleys create an inviting place where creative people and those appreciative of the bohemian way of life gather.
Don't miss Stick Out, a used clothing and accessories store where everything costs 800 yuan. Location: Shimokitazawa is a neighborhood in Setagaya. Shimokitazawa Station is about a 3-minute train ride from Shibuya Station on the Inokashira Line and a 10-minute train ride from Shinjuku Station on the Odakyu Line. Please like, share, and subscribe. Kanji is an artsy hub where alternative music, discount shopping bars, restaurants, and alternative youth culture thrive. In fact, Kanji has long served as a venue for punk rock music and is still home to numerous live houses or live music clubs. This music scene, coupled with the area's retro atmosphere, gives it an air of coolness. In terms of thrifting, the district features numerous Shotengai-covered shopping streets and alleys filled with unique vintage clothing stores. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Harajuku is one of Tokyo's epicenters for youth fashion. The colorful and perpetually busy Takashita Street is the heart of cosplay, anime, and kawaii cute culture, and is lined with chic shops, secondhand clothes stores, Instagram-worthy foods, especially crepes, and quirky eateries. The nearby Ket Street, an alley that runs between Harajuku and the area around Shibuya Station, is also a notable destination abundant in fashion boutiques, secondhand clothing, cafes, and eateries. However, unlike the flamboyance of Takashita Street, Ket Street has a more low-key atmosphere. Omotesando, a tree-lined avenue home to brand-name stores, cafes, and restaurants, offers a more refined shopping experience for older visitors. Please do watch our other hobby and collection series. Kikijoji is often hailed as one of Tokyo's best places to live. This stylish neighborhood effortlessly balances urban life with nature. Here, you can unwind in the picturesque setting of Inokashira Park or explore the whimsical Ghibli Museum. For shopping and dining experiences, the area has no shortage of options, from Shotengai-covered shopping streets and vintage clothing stores to lantern-illuminated bars, harmonica yokocho alley, and cozy cafes. We also want to give shoutouts to Shinjuku and Shibuya, both of which are extremely popular wards in Tokyo. Shibuya stands as the epicenter of modern Japanese culture and is a hub for fashionistas and creative types. In Shinjuku and Shibuya, the shopping and dining opportunities are endless, and at night, the areas come to life with their bars and nightclubs. Thanks to the ward's constant happenings and mixing of cultures, you are bound to find some interesting shops.